Well, hi everybody. Welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I am so glad you decided to stop by. Anyways, today is going to be a quick one. This video is really aimed towards newer iPhone users, but even experienced iPhone users may not realize how cool the control center is. If you have not looked at it recently, I'm going to show you how cool it is. So let's just dive in here. I'm going to show you the control center is basically just a spot where you can put the most commonly used iPhone apps so that you can get to them quickly. They're mostly setting apps. They're not like games and Facebook and stuff like that. It's the settings that are built into the phone and little apps that are built into the phone that come with it standard. Anyways, it'll make more sense once we get going. So let's move forward. All right. So create easy access. To view the control center, basically go up to the top right of your phone with your finger and just drag down kind of diagonally to the bottom left. And up will pop the control center. It will just come right up. You can change what's included in the control center. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if there's things on it you don't like, you can remove them. You can add other things. So that's in a minute. But let's right now just look at what the control center will looks like. So this is it. So I'm sure you've seen this. It's been updated recently. There were not so many things in it previously. Anyways, this top box here, this is basically going to have airplane mode. You just click the buttons to turn it off and on, right? Here is cellular data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Then you've got your portrait orientation, so it stops the rotation of the screen. This is screen mirroring. If you have Apple TV, you can mirror what's on your phone on your TV. Focus, there's a lot of settings in here, like if you're driving and you don't want to be bothered, it's like do not disturb, but you can pick certain people that you want to be able to disturb you. It's like your husband or your kids or whatever. It's really cool, actually. This is a flashlight. Here's a timer. This is screen record. So you could just press that and everything you do on your phone will be recorded and saved in your photos. It's kind of neat. This is your audio box. It'll tell you what's playing, and play, rewind, fast forward, etc. This is screen brightness. Now I'm going to tell you a story about this. So a couple weeks ago, someone that I work with, he came to me and basically the brightness on his phone was down so low we could not see what was on the screen. And he's like, oh my gosh, how do we fix this? How do we fix this? And I was trying to think, how do you get to the brightness? I'm like, oh yeah, it's in the control center. So I knew to pop up the control center. We still could not see much, but I kind of knew where it was. And thank goodness he had not moved this or changed his control center any, so it was right where it was on my phone, and I was able to slide the brightness back up so he could see the screen. So that was very useful. Now, if we couldn't have done that, I'm not sure how you would fix it, to be honest, because once it's set down to very dark, I don't even know if you can get to that setting, except for here. So this is a cool thing to know, right? Here's your volume, calculator, and your camera. So that's what comes standard on the control center screen. Here's a quick little video just kind of showing the different settings. So I'm not going to talk, just watch. It will tell you up here what it's doing as you turn them off and on. Now screen mirroring, I didn't have anything for it to mirror, so I had to wait for it to exit out an error because I didn't have any way of just canceling it. This is the focus. There's different settings. You click on these little dots and you'll have settings. So by clicking on the settings there, now this tells you this is where you can add people if you want them to be able to notify you even if you have focus on. This is flashing like this because I'm screen recording. And once you turn the screen recording off, it saves the video and your pictures so you can access it. So anyways, yeah, so that's cool. Now I'm going to show you how to change what's included in the control center. Okay, this is super easy. So basically go to the settings icon on your phone. Looks like that. Up at the top when the screen comes up, there's a little box where you can type in. Just click in the box and type in control center. And then the control center settings page will pop up. Before I forget, if you're getting any value out of this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe. That would be fantastic. Okay, so this is the control center settings. So this one here, access within apps. So like if you're in Facebook and you want to be able to get control center while you're in that app, if you have this turned on, you can go up and go up to the top right corner and scroll down, and then the control center will open on top of it. If you don't want that to happen, you just turn that off. Home controls, I'm not really sure what this is. I was going to look it up, but I forgot, sorry. So these are the controls that are currently included on my phone. Now I have not edited it, so this is probably the same thing on your phone unless you've edited it. So if you don't want these things, you just click the little minus. If you don't want the flashlight, timer, calculator, camera, screen recording, whatever. If you click the minus, it goes away. It'll no longer be included in control center. But you can always put it back because it'll just populate this list. It will just move from this list to this list. So this is really down lower. I just did another screenshot so you could see what it looked like. So this is all of them that are available. Like I said, these are not like apps that you download from the App Store. These are apps and settings that are already included on your phone. Okay, so you have accessibility, shortcuts, the alarm, Apple TV remote, code scanner, that's like QR codes and stuff and barcodes. Dark mode, I love dark mode. Makes the back of the background dark and the text light. I think it's easier to read sometimes. Anyways, guided access. If you've never used guided access, it's very cool, especially if you have a small child and you're going to hand them your phone to play a game or something. You can have guided access, so they're only allowed to play that one game. They can't go into all your apps and delete anything. They can't go shopping on your Amazon app or anything like that. You just lock them into the one little game that you're going to let them play. It's very cool. Hearing, home, low power mode. This is great if your battery's really low and you're running out. You can go to low power mode. It helps keep your phone alive even when your battery's almost dead. Magnifying glass, music recognition. This is really fun. I am not sure if it's still SoundHound. I'm not sure if that's what this little icon is. I thought it was orange. But basically you could play a song and then the phone will tell you the name, the title, and then who sang it and stuff. It's a cool app. Then there's notes, sound recognition, stopwatch, text sizes, so you can change the text on your screen. If you're having trouble seeing things, you can make it a little bit bigger. Here's voice memos and the wallet. So if you want those included in your control center, just click the plus sign and it'll automatically be added. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, right? Customize it to fit your needs. You know, pick the things you want, get rid of the things you don't. Make it fit exactly what you think you're going to use. You can change this at any time, as much as you like. I hope that this helps you use your phone more efficiently and allows you to take advantage of the things that you may not have known are even available to you. Like I said, a lot of people probably have no idea what Control Center even is. Even people who have had their phones for a long time. So, yeah, it's cool. So, if you have any questions about this or comments, put them down below. That would be great. And I hope that you are staying healthy and safe. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.